BagTag project, part 3, font analysis. In this part, we're going to start to choose different fonts for our BagTag. Font choice can become important because it affects how easy it is to read, and it also affects the overall appearance, and it needs to be a balance of those two things. You're going to create your fonts in Illustrator, and you're going to create an Illustrator document that is 90mm by 90mm wide, and you're going to choose a font, and in that space you're going to type the name of the font and a range of characters to demonstrate a good overview of the font. You'll see what I mean when I show you the sample document. You're then going to include that in your folio, and if it's a e-folio, you'll need to do it digitally, and if it is a paper-based folio, you need to print it out and stick it in. You'll need to do this 3 times because there are 4 spaces for 4 different fonts on your font analysis INV03 document. Once you've done that, you can answer the questions: what are some important aspects of font choice? Explain which font will work best with laser cutting, and which of these fonts do you choose to justify your choice? You can see here in the sample file, it gives you some information as to how to answer those questions. And it also shows you my sample fonts. You don't have to copy this, but you have to give the general overview and the idea of what the font will look like in a range of different sizes and that sort of thing. Once this is done, you'll be submitting it to the LMS and you'll be given feedback via the BagTag investigating feedback sheet, or otherwise the rubric. You'll need to submit it to the LMS if it is electronic, and that will be done via the BagTag investigation submission folder. If you're submitting it on paper, you just need to make sure that it is in your folio pocket.